Good evening.
Hi, Raj.
Okay, we'll start.
Hi, Raj.
You're able to see my screen, guys. You are able to see my screen, right? Am I audible?
Yes, Raj, you're audible.
So you are able to see my screen, right?
Yes, we can.
Okay, cool. So I think last class we have done till actions, right? Okay, this organizational action, I believe. So today we are going to discuss on integration. Okay. Integration between organization management and personal administration. Organization management is all about your organization structure. Personal administration is all about your employee master data. So here the question is how organization management is linked to personal administration module. So there are few questions you can expect from this module. Okay, so I'll just explain and I'll tell you the interview questions and answers so that you can write it down. Okay, now first write it down. Set up integration with personal administration. Write it down. Set up integration with personal administration. Okay, now write down. First write down. This is the interview question, guys. Take your time and write it down. This is a sure certain interview question. Let's write down the first line. Okay, and then write down these three lines. Again, I'm telling you, first line after that, these three lines. Am I clear? Okay. I can just put it in your chat. So either way, you can take it from the chat, or else you can take it from the screen itself. Are you able to see the screen, everybody?
Yes, Raj.
Yes, Raj.
That's cool. Yeah. Now, guys, write it down. Take your time. No need to be hurry because there are 2 interview questions you can expect here. Yeah. And let me know once you'll be done. I'll be mute. Okay, guys, for everybody, is it done? Or else take your time, no problem.
Yes, Raj, completed.
Okay. So, what this integration says? This integration says if loggy and there is a orga. Loggy is a field, orga is a field. Orga field is from personal administration. Some info type, which is known as your organizational assignment info type 0001. Loggy is from organization management. If loggy and orga, the value is X, then it shows the integration is on. If loggy and orga, the value is null or there is no value against loggy and orga, it shows there is no integration. But ideally, it is not correct. Ideally, the pluggy and orga, the value should be X, so that the object from OM can flow to PM module, or the object from PM module can flow to OM module. Now, in HR master data, what I generally do? So in HR master data, generally I hire the employee. Now, If you are going to hire the employee, you need a organization unit, you need a position, you need a cost center, you need a job. All those information should be fetched from where? All these information should fetch from your organization management. Okay, so though you are going to hire the employee in PM module, but you need the information from organization management module, like organization unit, position, job, cost center. Same way, once you have hired the employee in PM module, then the employee's personal number and name should appear in organization structure. So in this way, the object can flow from OM to PA and PA to OM. Okay, now let's go to the table. Execute. Click on basic setting. The table name is T77H0. Write it down. Sorry, check here. Loggy and orga, the value should be X. It shows what? It shows loggy and orga, the value should be X. It shows what? It shows
integrated.
the integration is active between OM and PA. Okay?
Got it. Yeah.
Okay.
If there is no X, if it is null, then it is not. It's not active, right?
So ideally it should be active. Clear?
Okay.
Now, as I told you that the object can move from OM to PA and PA to OM. The object can move from OM to PA and PA to OM. In that case, if the object will miss, suppose the object will miss. Okay, then if the object will miss, then can we identify the missing object? Okay, if the object will miss, can we identify the missing object? Okay, and rectify. Yes, there are reports. If the object will be missing either in OM or PA, then there are reports. The name of the report is Rente report. There are reports through which we can identify the missing object and the rectification can be done. Okay. So, what to do now? We have to go to this is the last concept topic of organization management. So the name of the report is Rente report. The name of the report is what? Rente report. Okay. So in a Rente report, okay, we have to identify, okay, the missing objects either in OM or in PA. There are three major Rente reports: Rente 00, Rente 10, and Rente 30. These are the interview questions. Please write it down. Rente 00. No need to write down this example. Rente 10 and Rente 30. I will explain it after that. Again, I am telling you Rente 00, Rente 10, and Rente 30. Let me know once it will be done. Take your time and write it down. All are interview questions.
Raj, the words are not so clear, Raj. It is not visible.
Maybe you can check your network. I don't think my voice is clear. Are you guys hear me properly?
I can hear you, Raj. The screen, the words are not clear.
Not sure.
I can hear you. The words are not clear.
Are you able to see the guys? Guys, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, we are able to see.
Yes, Raj.
Yeah. Maybe you just okay. What I can do? I can put it in the Skype chat. Open Skype chat. You can see this.
Yeah. The screen words are not clear. That's it.
Maybe it depends upon the network or the clarity. There are many things. Anyway, for okay, renter 00 and renter 10 source is just opposite. The object will move from OM module to PA module. The position will move, organization unit will move, and job will move. It will move from OM module to PA module. Rente 30 shows the object will move from OM module to PA module, but for mass employees. If mass employee data need to be updated, then in that case, we should go with Rente 30. Am I clear? So this is all about your Rente 00, Rente 10, and Rente 30. Rente 00 is from OM module to PA module to OM module, means object will move from PA to OM. And Rente 10 shows just vice versa, OM to PA. Object will move from OM to PA. And Rente 30 shows object will move from OM to PA, but for mass employees. So these are the three things that you need to remember, guys, because they will ask you what is Rente 10, what is Rente 20, and what is Rente 10, what is Rente 00, and what is Rente 30. Am I clear?
And by using InfoType 0001, they said, what is this, Raj?
Okay, infotype is your where you need to store the data. It's a database where you can store the data.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
And yeah, and infotype generally they have infotype 0001 is from your infotype 0001 is from your PA module, personal administration module.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Okay.
About the integration. So there are two questions from this. What is the integration between OM and PA, and what is Rente report, and explain all the Rente reports. These are the questions that you can expect from these modules. Am I clear?
Yes, Raj.
Okay, good. Now, I will show you one organization structure. Then we'll design it. But today I will show you a organization structure, how it looks like. Now, to see the organization structure, okay guys, first you write down the transaction codes of organization structure. When we are going to design the org structure, first you write it down the transaction code of the organization structure. Write down here 3 transaction code. In export mode, first 3, and in simple maintenance 3, total 9. These 3 transaction code including description. In export mode, 3 transaction code including description, and in simple maintenance all these 3 transaction code including description. Please write.
Raj,
Yeah.
Raj, is there any learning material or PDF files where you'll be sharing so that we can go through them?
You will. I will share, not now. After design of organization structure. Timely will get it, don't worry. Whatever you are writing, follow the same at least. Clear?
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, Raj, it's written.
Done, guys, everybody? Or else take
Yeah,
your
done.
time. Okay. Now, suppose I will show you an organization structure. I'll take a structure. So there are no structure at all. This is a phrase client. There is no structure. Okay, guys, what I'll do now, tomorrow I will show you an organization structure. After that, we'll design the organization structure tomorrow. Clear? So now you should go through today, whatever the integrations and the rent report and the transaction. Follow the videos. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to design the org structure. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Raj.
Yes, Raj.
Thank you very much, guys. Good night. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye, Raj.